Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be walking you through a full stack resume platform that I built from scratch. The project includes a React frontend, a Java Dropwizard backend, Redis caching, and a separate AI based microservice used for login risk scoring. This is not just a portfolio website, it's designed just like a real production system with clean architecture, security, and scalability in mind. This platform has two sides: a resume view, a public resume view, where everyone can see my profile, experience, skills, and projects, and an admin panel where I can securely log in and manage all resume data. All data is stored in a database, cached using Redis, and served via a backend API. Let me quickly explain the architecture. The front end is built using React and Material UI. It communicates with Java backend built using Dropwizard. The backend uses MySQL for persistence, Redis for caching, and rate limiting. Additionally, there is a separate AI microservice built with Fast API that evaluates login risk and helps prevent brute force attacks. Each service is isolated and communicates via HTTP, just like in real microservice architecture. Let's start with the front end. This is the public resume view. All the data you see here comes from the backend endpoint. Now I'll log in as an admin. From the admin panel, I can edit my profile, add, update, or delete certifications, manage education history, manage work experience, add projects and associated technologies, manage skill categories and levels. Each form includes client side validation. Required fields must be filled before save actions are enabled, which prevents bad data from being sent to the backend. After every save or delete action, the front end refetches data to stay fully in sync with the backend. Now let's look at the backend. The backend is built using Dropwizard and follows a clean layered architecture. Controller layer handles HTTP requests. Service layer contains business logic. DAO layer handles database access using JDBI. For example, when I update a certification, the controller validates the request. The service decides whether to add, update, or delete. The DAO executes database queries. All deletes are soft deletes using an is active flag, which is a common production practice. Admin APIs are protected using token based authentication. Redis is used for two main purposes. First, resume data is cached so that public profile requests do not hit the database every time. Second, Redis is used to track login attempts per IP and per user. This improves performance and also enables intelligent security decisions before authentication succeeds. One of the most interesting parts of this project is AI risk scoring service. This is a completely separate fast API service. Before allowing a login, the backend sends login metadata like IP address and recent failed attempts to the service. Based on predefined rules, the service returns a risk score, a decision, allow, challenge, or block. For example, too many failed attempts from the same IP address increases the risk score, and repeated failure for the same email and IP can trigger a block. This approach mimics how real world fraud detection system works. The project is split into three repositories: Resume Frontend, Resume Backend, Resume AI Service. Each repository includes a README with setup instruction. All services can be run locally, and the architecture is ready for cloud deployment. The project demonstrates full stack development, backend architecture, caching strategies, and microservice based security design. All repository links are in the description. Thanks for watching and feel free to reach out if you have any questions.